Happy Friday. We're doing a Pisco sour. 3 ounces Pisco. Pisco. 3/4 ounce simple syrup. A dash of bitters for good luck. 1 ounce lime. Have you seen this? That is sharp. The Fusser juicer makes my juicing so much easier. 1 egg white. Chefing things, right? Shake dry for 10 seconds. For 25 seconds. It's gotta be, we gotta get that good Pisco sour head. And you shake it again. Whew! Too cold to hold now. It's way too much work for 1 cocktail. Okay, that's a little bit. Now I wanted to do this fun thing that I saw, but I'm sure it's really hard and not very, not very easy, but I'll try. Oh man, I'm a little out of breath from all that shaking. I'm not gonna lie. Do a little. There is your Pisco sour. Can you see it? Oh yeah, that's good. I love it. Happy Friday. Enjoy. I'll see you next week.